Good evening, everybody. Welcome. We are outside walking. You can take a little nice nature walk, you guys. A little beautiful walk, a nice breezy walk. Zay's in the house, and I decided to bring Rhea and Nora out to go on a walk and just enjoy the outside for a little bit. They haven't been out today, so I decided I was gonna go ahead and bring them out. Here we are walking. Hey, girls. Hi, girls. You outside?
Yeah.
You're outside. You're so beautiful. Hi. Your hair's up. Yeah. You too, baby. All right, come on. No, we're not gonna go close to the street. Let's go. So yeah, but we're walking. Baby Kay was outside with. She was outside with her cousins a minute ago, so I just decided to go ahead and bring them out because why not? So yeah, hopefully you guys had an amazing day. Keep staying positive, push harder, stay motivated, and don't let nothing stop you. Don't let nothing get away of your success, of your hard work, of your pressure to the top T, y'all. Don't let nobody stop y'all from what y'all doing because. All right, hold her hand, not her arm. Don't pull her arm. Hold her hand, okay? Good job, just like that. Nice, beautiful girls. So yeah, but y'all having a good day today? What? You had a good day? What? You and Dada. Okay, well, Dada not outside, baby. We gotta wait, okay? So, come on. No, hold my hand. Come on, hold my hand. You guys, every time we come out and Zay's not with us, Maria's always like, where's my Dada? I want Dada. It's like she never wants to just come outside with me. She always wants her daddy. Like, hello? Like, dang, girl. I get you're a daddy's girl, but hey, hello. No, you guys. But yeah, she's a big time daddy's girl. What? You want your daddy? Where daddy? He in the house? Daddy in the house? Look at her shoes, y'all. She's so cute. Your shoes are so cute. But yeah, y'all. So, sorry. Go ahead and walk. Y'all can go ahead and walk now. But yeah, y'all, so we're just chilling. Baby is doing great, y'all. Not all the way in there. Let's go. Over here, back this way, baby. Back this way, okay? It's hot. Come on, we're gonna go find a flower, okay? Here's some flowers, look. Look. Right here, Wawa. But yeah, we're gonna see. Maybe Zay might be outside, but he's probably in the yard. I don't know. We're gonna see though. We're going to walk down there now. All right, come on. Look at y'all flowers. Come on. But yeah, y'all, the sun was out. It's behind the clouds. It was raining so much earlier when we got up that I didn't even think it was gonna stop because like it was literally pouring down, raining, and it was just like wow. Like as you guys can see these puddles. Like it's been raining for the last couple of days. That's so crazy. Come on, my flower girls.
Come on, flower.
Beautiful flower on. And Rhea got her new shoes on. She can't be walking in these puddles, y'all. Get her shoes wet and nasty. Come on, Wawa. Y'all, she fell, so we had to wrap her legs up and some bandages. She scraped her knee a little bit, but other than that, it is beautiful outdoors. Zamora, your knee okay? You fall? It's okay. It ain't bad, Mama. It's just a scratch. It's just a little scratch. I know, mommy don't got no band-aids, so I just put a little bandage on it, okay? It's okay. It's just a little scratch. Y'all, it's not bad of a scratch, y'all. It's just a little scratch, but when they see a little scratch, they think it's major to the point they need wrapped it up so she won't be crying no more, y'all, because it was bleeding a little bit, but like not like serious injury, y'all. It's just a little mild scratch that is gonna go. It's gonna basically heal within like a couple days. So, yeah. But you're an owie too. My goodness, that's the old owie. Zamora, come on. Come on. The wind is blowing a little bit, y'all. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the wind is blowing. Not too good of a wind, y'all, because it's still hot, but it's a little breeze. But yeah, y'all, so hope you guys have a motivational day. Nana, say stay positive. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Say stay positive. Stay humble, motivated, and stay being you. Say we love you.
Mommy.
Huh?
Outside.
You outside?
Yeah.
Come on. Go tell daddy come outside, Wawa. Alright, y'all, so we already know Zay's partner gonna come outside, but I'm just trying to get her to come out of this area because it's too hot over here, okay? So, but yeah, anyways. You having a good day, Toto? Other than your little fall? Okay, don't get in the water, okay? No water. That's nasty water. No. Yeah. But yeah, you guys, build a legacy, you guys, that you wanna, you know, be a company to, how you say it? I don't know. It's a word I'm trying to say, but I can't read. A company to. But anyways, I don't know if I said it right. But just be who you are as a person. Stay positive. Stay being you. Keep pushing hard. Don't let it stop you, because no matter how hard life gets, we all go through struggles. We all fail sometimes in life. But what we have to do, we have to get back up and do it again. So just keep on pushing. Don't give up. When you give up, success goes downhill. You don't want that. You want to be way successful and have a beautiful built life. So just keep on going. Have the courage to keep your mind flowing and keep your skin going. Keep pushing yourself. Don't stop. Don't let nothing stop you. Beautiful flowers, y'all. But yeah. Nani, what you doing?
I can pick that.
Huh?
I want this.
Pick a flower?
Yeah.
Alright, pick one. Pick your flower and Wawa.
This.
Beautiful. Beautiful, buddy. But yeah. Let me see your flowers.
Mommy.
But with that being said, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, keep pushing, don't stop, don't let nothing stop you. Hit that bell notification so you can be notified when we upload our next videos. And yeah, we'll catch you guys next one. See you. Peace.